Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Lift kits are strictly an aftermarket thing. Sometimes dealers will sell trucks with lifts on them, but they are rarely installed by the dealer themselves. Like others have said, the dealers farm out the work to specialty shops, like four-wheel parts.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Tacoma TRD lift kit comes with all the necessary hardware for installation and is only offered as a dealer-installed option. Manufacturer suggested retail pricing for the kit as $1,450, not including labor, which is estimated at 4 to 5 hours.
Let's help you make your mark.
These new offerings are available through Ford dealers for $1,495 before installation. The kits are designed to be installed at the dealer on any four-wheel drive 2019 Ranger or four-wheel drive 2015 to 19 F-150. Kits come with a Ford Performance Parts Limited warranty. See a Ford dealer for details.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Depending on the size of your lift, buying and installing a lift kit can easily cost anywhere between $400 to $4,000 if you install the kit yourself. If you hire a professional, it could cost between $800 and $8,000.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.